So let's break our synovial joints down into their subcategories. The first one that we've got is the ball and socket joint. And a ball and socket joint basically is when the rounded head of your bone fits into the cup-shaped cavity of another bone. So an example of your ball and socket would be your shoulder. So it's almost like a shower head in that you can move 360 degrees throughout space. Now, your hinge joint is when you have a round surface. I'm holding Henry very delicately here because he's rather fragile today. A round surface of one bone fits into the hollow surface, if you can see here. Your hinge joint is when this round bit fits into the hollow part of this. So an example of a hinge joint would be your elbow. Now a saddle joint is similar to a hinge, but you just have slightly more movement. So an example of a saddle joint would be your thumb. Okay, so this is Henry's thumb. Now a gliding joint is when two flat surfaces of bone connect and glide over each other, and the one that I'm going to show you now is what's known as the AC or the acromioclavicular joint. The last type of joint that we have is your ellipsoid joint, and the ellipsoids, most common or the best one for you to remember, are your knuckles. Okay, so your knuckles or your ellipsoid are when the oval shaped bone fits in to an oval shaped cup in another bone. So ellipsoid, gliding, saddle, pivot, hinge and ball and socket are your different types of synovial joints.